Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Hey guys, it's hi, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be playing more Five Nights at Sweet Cafe. I'm really addicted to this game, and yeah, I really wanted to make a YouTube video on this, but I wasn't able to. But yeah, let's just hop right into Night 3. Night Trace. No one cares. Uh-oh. Why do I say uh-oh? Okay. Oh no, I forgot. We need to look at the doll, which I found out his name is actually Teddy, which very much suits him. I actually don't know if it's a boy or a girl. I'm just calling it a boy because of Teddy. Oh! Did it move? No, it didn't. The chicken did. Okay, now I'm calling it a chicken. It's not a duck, it's not a chicken, it's a bird. I'm assuming. I didn't see what it was. It kind of looks like a dinosaur. Wait, that's so offensive. Imagine if you were called a dinosaur. Why am I even looking at the doors? There's no one. Oh, stop! I need to go into full screen. Okay. Uh-oh. No. What the heck? Okay. This is much easier on mobile. Uh-oh. Yeah, you're there. And Teddy is not at the door. Vent yet. Oh, come on. We haven't ran into a jump scare yet. And that's actually kind of good, because I don't really want to get jump scared at the moment. And I also do not know if it's going to be a loud one or just a really stupid one. I don't know. Is he in the vent yet? No. Yo, I just got jump scared. Wait. Oh crap. Reboot! Yeah, that was scary. And they literally got at my door, so I'm dead. Oh, okay, never mind. The door's closed. Where's Teddy? Oh, there's Hippopotamus. You leave. Thank you. Oko. Who the heck? Oko? Okay, hold on. Oh, Teddy's in the vents. What's that? That's not a Teddy. Oh, wait. I knew you were there. Stop! Guys, why are you moving so much? No, you're still there. Then who's moving? Okay, well, you're gone. Oh, hippo! Never mind. Oh, there's a hippo. Yo, that was scary. It wouldn't let me close the door. Oh, hi. Okay, bye. Oh, hi again. Whew. Oh, wait. Is Teddy? Oh, Teddy's gone. And I'm gonna close the door on your face, which is probably not a good idea. Okay, it was. Okay, never mind. No, it wasn't. Well, it seems like we're okay. Never mind. Close the door. Hippo. Hippie. That wasn't fun. Uh-oh. Oh, never mind. Hooray. Yeah, you're still there. Wasting too much power. You need to learn how to not do that. This seems good, right? Actually, no. Because of that temperature. Gonna be the death of me. And I already died already by the temperature. Oh, come on. Quick! Yo, that was clean. No, it wasn't. That was sick. Oh, crap. That's never good. I thought I was gonna die. I was so confused. Okay, well, Hippo's gone. So is Teddy. Okay, well, this is turning out good. Just kidding, because I just realized the power. Yeah, we're not gonna survive. Actually, maybe, if you hope that it turns 5 a.m. right now. Oh my god. Shh. Dang it. Dang it. Why'd you have to move when it was... Oh, it's 5 a.m. But we're probably still gonna die. Oh! Yep. We're both gonna die tonight. Shut up. Okay, hold on. Actually, the power is definitely gonna go out. But at least we made it till 5 a.m. Just keep looking back and forth, and all will be great. Okay, this is good. I'm gonna get jump scared by the frickin' 5 a.m., 6 a.m. thing. Please. Go! 6 a.m. No! I'm pretty sure you instantly die when the power goes out. by the bunny rabbit. Headphone warning. No headphone warning. No headphone. No headphone warning. We're okay. That's what scared me. Headphone more. Okay, well we're gonna end the video here. Each night it gets crazier